Hello guys, today we will explain how can you create YouTube short videos. So let's start the process. First of all, open your YouTube app. After it opens, simply tap on this plus sign. From here, tap on the option create a short. So as you see now from here you can create your short video. But remember one thing, before creating the YouTube short video, you need to know two things. The first thing is always choose the best background music for your YouTube short because music play an important role in your short video. And the second thing is content. Always choose a proper and the best content. Means if you don't know which kind of content you need to choose, then simply play YouTube shorts, scroll up and down and see what kind of video are trending in these days and try to make the same kind of videos and upload those videos in your YouTube short. So after choosing the content for your videos, now come to YouTube and open this create a short, and from here select the music by tapping on this add sound icon. The music is already chosen, but I will show you how can you choose another one. When you will tap on this add sound, so as you see here are a lot of music library, and here is the option top sound, means these are the top sounds which are trending in YouTube short. And also you can search song by yourself by tapping on this search bar icon. After selecting the best song, go back and here is the option the duration of the video. You want to record the video for 15 seconds or you want to record the video for 60 seconds. If you want to record the video for 60 seconds, then tap on this one. Now you can record your video for 60 seconds. And here is the option, it's for flipping your camera, means now I'm using my mobile phone back camera. When I will tap on this one, my front camera will be open. And the second option is speed. When you will tap on this one, so from here you can adjust your video speed. You can adjust this to the 2x 3x, or you can also make your video slower. And what is this? Tap on this one. So it's the same like the duration of the video, so it's the timer of the video. You can also select the timer of the video by tapping on this. After this, let's move to our fourth one. The fourth one is effects. So now let me show you what kind of effects are and how can you use this. So now I will show you by using just only one effect. When I will tap on this clone spin, now it's applied. So as you see the background is starts spinning. Now want to select this one, then tap on the stick sign. Now this effect is working in my YouTube video. Now let's move to the next one. It's the green screen filter. Before starting this one, we can close the first one by tapping on this and tap on this sign. So as you see our previous effect has been closed. Now tap on this green screen. So as you see the green screen start working. It will help you by placing your boring background to a good one, and you can do this in the video editing. So let's move to the next one. Tap on this. What is this? It's the retouch one. Means if you will record your face, then it will enhance your face. That means the quality of your face. So by using this, you can enhance your face. Let's close the green screen effect. Tap on done. So the green screen has been closed. Now I am tapping on this arrow sign. So here are more filters. Tap on this one. These filters are like the TikTok and the Instagram filters. Means I will tap on this one. So as you see the color of my video enhanced, and also I'm using the other filters like this to this, and here is the black and white. So these filters are also helpful in enhancing your YouTube short videos. After selecting a proper filter, tap on the option done. Again tap on this arrow sign. Tap on this. So as you see light on, means the brightness of my mobile screen has been enhanced slightly. So it means the light effect will enhance your mobile phone brightness. Again tap on this arrow sign, and here is the option flash. Means you are recording your video with your back camera. So flash, after tapping on this flash sign, so as you see the mobile phone flash has been turned on. So these are the basic way in which you can create your YouTube short videos and also upload them in your YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.